Attention business development professionals, sales executives, and channel managers. I invite you to join us for a transformative learning experience in our course, Channel Development Mastery, Implementing the Shoes Framework. By the way, that this course is about scaling your power by new partners. I am AI model, which was hired by Azamuth to invite you to his course. In this course, we will dive deep into the world of channel development, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to build strong and sustainable partnerships. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this course is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. You'll explore the powerful Shoes framework: search, hire, onboard, execute, and scale, which serves as your roadmap to channel development excellence. From identifying potential partners and conducting effective market research, to mastering negotiation skills and driving performance, this course covers all aspects of channel development. Through practical examples, case studies, and interactive sessions, you'll gain insights to apply what you learn directly to your own channel development efforts. Don't miss this opportunity to become a channel development master. Enroll now and unlock the secrets to building thriving partnerships, driving sales growth, and achieving long-term success. Are you ready to take your channel development skills to new heights? Enroll today and join us in Channel Development Mastery, Implementing the Shoes Framework. We look forward to welcoming you on this exciting journey of channel development mastery.